Hey guys, how are you? I'm Aldo.
I'm Ian.
Welcome to DelMastro RV. For all you small SUVs and minivan guys, we haven't forgot about you. We're going to show you this Passport 17.5 PH. Absolutely an amazing, small, single axle bunkhouse.
Remember, it's minivan towable and it sleeps four. Comes with a full-size queen bed and double bunks. Come on inside.
Hey guys, like Ian was saying, awesome trailer. It's a queen bed. Look at the shelving. Look at the shelving up there for your stuff. Nice closet with a nice hangers there. Come on in. Nice double sink. Beautiful double sink. Got lots of windows in it. Again, covered space up here. Let's not forget the air conditioning. Very important in the summertime. Real nice dinette for 4 people. This will also go into a bed. So you can sleep 2 there, 2 here, and look at this. You've got bunks. You've got fantastic bunks and a real nice size bathroom. Absolutely amazing for a 17.5-foot trailer. Double fridge, microwave, 3-burner stove, and look at this. Look at this in the back here.
So this is a storage door. This bunk actually lifts up. So you got tons of storage underneath, so if you're talking about lawn chairs, barbecues, umbrellas, we got it all here. Lots and lots of storage.
You know, Ian, we've got our winter prices. Now, why don't we tell our customers what we're actually priced this at for the winter?
Yeah, special pricing till January 1st. All trailers. This particular trailer's $22,995, now $17,995.
And remember, guys, like we said earlier, it's minivan towable. It's a single axle, and it can sleep up to 6 people. Come on down to see Ian or myself, Aldo, at 48 Lansdowne Street West here in Peterborough, DelMastro RV. And by the way, Merry Christmas.